What if the universe itself keeps time? Ancient civilizations believed we live inside a great cosmic cycle, one written in the stars. For millennia, they watched the heavens, convinced that the slow, silent dance of the constellations held the key to our past, present, and future. You probably learned in school that the Earth spins on its axis, giving us day and night, and orbits the Sun, giving us our year. But that's not the whole story. The Earth doesn't spin perfectly upright. It has a slight wobble, much like a spinning top just before it falls. This wobble is incredibly slow, taking nearly 26,000 years to complete just one cycle. This phenomenon is called the precession of the equinoxes. As our planet wobbles, our view of the cosmos gradually changes. The North Star we see today, Polaris, wasn't the North Star for the ancient Egyptians. And in about 12,000 years, the brilliant star Vega will take its place. This slow celestial shift means that over vast stretches of time, the entire map of our night sky is redrawn. The constellations that mark the beginning of spring, the vernal equinox, drift backward through the zodiac, 1 degree every 72 years. This wasn't just a curious astronomical fact to our ancestors. They were obsessed with it. The ancient Egyptians, for example, aligned the Great Pyramids with breathtaking precision to the stars in Orion's belt. Across the world, the Maya developed a complex calendar system that tracked not just days and years, but vast cycles of cosmic time spanning thousands of years. In ancient India, Hindu scriptures speak of the Yugas, a sequence of 4 ages, a golden age of spiritual enlightenment, followed by a gradual decline into a dark age, before the cycle begins anew. For these cultures, time wasn't a straight line, marching forward into the unknown. It was a great, repeating circle, a cosmic rhythm of rise and fall, all tied to the movements of the heavens. This celestial clock is divided into 12 ages, corresponding to the signs of the zodiac. As the point of the vernal equinox precesses, it spends about 2,160 years in each constellation. Civilizations have passed through the Age of Taurus, symbolized by the bull and worship of bovine deities. Then came the Age of Aries, the ram, a time of legendary warriors and empires. For the last 2,000 years, we have been in the Age of Pisces, the fish, an emblem deeply connected with the rise of Christianity. And now, many believe we are on the cusp of a new era, the dawning of the Age of Aquarius, the water bearer said to usher in a new wave of innovation, humanitarianism, and collective consciousness. Each age, it is said, imprints its unique spirit upon human civilization, shaping our beliefs, our art, and our destiny. Is it a coincidence that so many disparate cultures, separated by oceans and millennia, told similar stories? Myths from around the world speak of a distant golden age, a time of wisdom, peace, and harmony with the universe. This was inevitably followed by a silver, bronze, and finally, a dark iron age, marked by conflict and spiritual ignorance. Could these myths not just be fanciful tales, but a collective memory? A symbolic echo of humanity's long journey through the great precessional cycle, reflecting a rise and fall of consciousness that is synchronized with the stars themselves. It's a tantalizing thought that our oldest stories are actually a record of our cosmic environment. Today, modern astronomy confirms the precession of the equinoxes as a concrete, measurable, physical fact. We can calculate its rate with incredible accuracy. But this scientific certainty only deepens the mystery. Why were ancient peoples so profoundly invested in tracking this almost imperceptibly slow cycle? Did they possess knowledge that we have forgotten? Did they perceive a direct connection between the cosmic ages and the ebbs and flows of life on Earth? The science confirms the what, but the myth asks the why. It's at this intersection where the telescope meets the ancient temple that the most profound questions about our place in the cosmos arise. We are living within a celestial clockwork far grander than we can easily comprehend. The heavens turn with a slow, silent, and deliberate rhythm. As the equinox continues its inexorable shift, we find ourselves at a pivotal moment, transitioning from one cosmic chapter to the next. It compels us to look up and wonder, what does this dawning age hold for us? What part will we play in the great story written in the stars? Thank you for joining us on this journey through space and time. If you enjoyed this exploration, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay curious with us.